I had $3.10 off per gallon. Gas is $2.19 per gallon. My car was on E, y'all. Okay, so I had to do it inside, but I got 38 cents. And that should fill up my tank.
They separate or?
Look, the price ain't even went up yet. I love it. Y'all, gas is $2.19 per gallon. I'm almost at 2 gallons and it's 3 cents. 4. Do y'all see how slow this is moving? I got 4 gallons of gas for 8 cents. My car only takes like 15 gallons. We live, baby, yeah. I got people put me on the other side.
What the fuck? 11 gallons?
And gas is $2.19, y'all.
Oh my god.
Tank it is full at 23 cents.
Yeah, there we go.
My car can't take no more gas.